Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix missing drafts on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open the TikTok app here. I'll create a quick draft and then show you what you can do if you find that some of those drafts are missing, and it'll definitely get those drafts back and working again. So I'm going to tap the plus at the bottom center here. And then I'm just going to record a quick video that I'll then save as a draft. So I'm going to save that one, next, and save it to draft here. So then I can tap the profile icon at the bottom right here. And you can see I have two drafts here. But if you find that those drafts are missing or you can't access them, you had a draft, there are a couple different things that you can do. The first thing we'll do is we'll tap the three lines at the top right here, and then we'll tap Settings and Privacy. Next, we'll scroll down to the bottom, and where it says Clear Cache, we'll tap that to clear the cache on our specific TikTok app that helps to clear up any kind of bugs or lags. The next thing that we'll do is we'll head into our settings here. And then we'll scroll down until we get to General, and we'll tap on General. And then midway down is iPhone storage. We'll tap on that. And then we'll find TikTok, and we'll tap on that. And we'll offload this app and then reinstall this app. And what this does is it force updates TikTok to the latest version, and it refreshes all of those core TikTok app files. So if there's any bugs or glitches in it, it will take care of those and get it all cleaned up. But it doesn't delete your drafts, keeps you logged in, all your messages, all that stuff is normal. And you'll see once I open this back up, my drafts will still be there. And I'll be able to see that if there are any drafts missing, then I can get those drafts back. So you can see these are the two drafts that I have. Now, if they're still missing, if you still don't see those drafts that they're going through all of those steps, TikTok might be down itself. So let's hop out of here and open up Safari or Google Chrome or something. And then we'll type in, is TikTok down? And then we can just head to Down Detector here. And you'll be able to see if there's a big spike in reports that TikTok is down, then we'll be able to know if this is an issue not specifically with your account or your TikTok drafts, but with the overall server. And if that's the case, you'll just need to wait till that server comes back up and TikTok's servers can access all your drafts and everything again. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you in the next one.